Hi everybody, welcome back. I went to Walmart a long time ago when Walmart came out with their beauty favorites, and I picked up a couple and I thought I would go over them with you today and do a demo with them so we can see what's in them. I got three. I got Glow For It, I got the Time for Eyes, and I got the latest in lips. So stay to the end because there's a surprise. Okay, I can't wait for the end, so I'm just going to tell you now. I'm going to have a giveaway. Surprise! So as you can see, I've already done my base makeup, my eyebrows, and my bronzer and blush. While I was there, I picked up, they had this little cute little kit that came with the Milani 3 rose blushes and a Prep and Brighten rose oil. And I have really dry skin, so I thought this would be great, and I'm really enjoying this rose oil. I put it on just a little bit before I do my foundation, and it kind of keeps me hydrated throughout the day. But isn't that a cute little bag? Magnetic closure, just a nice little clutch. So this is the Milani Flowers of Love Rose Powder Blush Set, and it just has these pretty little trio of blushes. As you can see me putting them on my face, I just used all three of them. I find that I have a better flush to the cheeks that way using all three of them, but there they are. But I'm enjoying that little cheek palette and the rose oil. And just so you know, I have another one to give away to one of you guys. Okay, I already have my blush on, so this is the Glow For It kit, and I'm sure you've seen these before. It's just been a while. I've had these sitting under my desk. I bought them right when they came out, and I just haven't had the time, folks. There's been a lot going on in life. So this is the Ultimate Highlighter and Skin Luminizing Set. It has in here, right here, it has, you know what, let's just take these out. So for under $9, you get 5 products in the Glow For It set, and it's valued at $24. So what you've got in here is a Vitalist Healthy Glow Highlighting Illuminator. Does this have a color to it? In number 3. So this is in the number 3. And I'll show it to you, but I'm not going to use it today. That's an awfully dark highlighter. I'm not going to use this. I'm not going to ever use it, more than likely, so I'll put it in the giveaway. The next thing we have is this Found Coconut Sheet Mask. It says it brightens uneven skin tones for a radiance look. I can't wait to use this because I love sheet masks. Then we have 2 highlighters. We have the Wet n Wild Precious Petals, which I already have this. This is mine. And as you can see, it's been used. It comes stamped with a little bird in there, so I'm going to put this in the giveaway. And this is it's just a beautiful peachy golden highlighter. Use it a lot. It's really pretty. And then the other highlighter that they have in here is from Hard Candy, and this is their Rose Gold highlighter. So here is the highlighter in Rose Gold. It looks like it's got like a gold and then a pink and then an actual rose color. So yeah, it does. So we'll just spin those around here and see. Wow, it's not a very... This is more glowy. This is not as bright as this one, the Wet n Wild, but let's just go ahead and put this one on my cheeks today. I'm using a Wet n Wild highlighter brush. Swirl this around in here and get some good highlighter on here. That's cute. Hard Candy. Rose gold around the edge. So I don't know how that's coming off in camera, but over here I can see it just a little. In the mirror it looks a little chalky. Very golden, actually. You see it? It looks a little chalky to me. But it's a drugstore brand, and I'm not sad with that because I think that's a nice little pretty glow. Let's put some here. Okay, so that's really pretty. I like that. Nice to have that in my collection. And then the last thing for this little Glow For It kit is from Milani, and it is their Make It Dewy setting spray. So here's the Make It Dewy. We'll just go ahead and spray that. Let's see. Oh, yes. That is a very nice fine mist. Can you see that? No, you can't. But it is a nice, very fine mist. I really like that. So that's what was in the Glow For It kit. So I am including the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Glow and the Wet n Wild Precious Petals in the giveaway. And then we're going to get into the Time for Eyes favorites from Walmart. There's everything that it includes. Let's go ahead and get into this one. Okay, so what I have in this Time for Eyes favorites kit which by the way, this is the extra, this goes in the giveaway, is a brow wax pencil. I've already done my brows for the day, so, and I don't use brow wax, I use brow mascara. So I'm going to put this in the giveaway. We have a L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Volumizing Mascara. I've not tried this, so that's nice to try. We have a Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Liner. Doesn't look to be full size. This one looks to be travel size, and this one was valued at $37. So we've got a full size mascara. We have an Almay Shadow Quad in the color Ambition. I'm not sure how defining these are gonna be, but it looks like it has a dark matte, 2 shimmers, and then a sparkle glittery color, and it looks very pretty, and I get what they're trying to do with the monochromatic, so there's that. There is also a Covergirl True Naked Nudes palette. There are all the colors in the Nudes palette. You know, Covergirl's peach palette that they had, I really like that. It's really pretty, and it would go with what I'm wearing today, but we'll go ahead and use this peach palette. And then they have these Kiss Lash Couture lashes, and I don't do false lashes, so I will put those in the giveaway. So let's go ahead. What do you think? What do you think we should do today? First of all, let's go in with this light. It looks like there's a couple of matte shades in this nude, so we're just, oh, I picked up the wrong brush, but oh well. I'll bring you in a little closer if I can. A lot of fallout here. I didn't kick off my brush, so, but that's okay because this is the lightest shade, and this is just to go over the brow. I'm interested to see what these colors, there they are. There, see, there's the glittery one. You know what, let's start with this one right here and just see how the color payoff is. Okay, I see you, Almay. Isn't that what everybody says nowadays? I see you. I see you. Not bad. We'll continue. We'll continue. Okay, there's the Almay. Now let's go in with, see what this color looks like. These two look very similar, don't they? Okay, so this is a little bit more taupey. So I think I'm going to go in with that taupe shade. Just press it down for a little bit of shimmer on the lid. And I think we'll go in with, it has a black in it, that's nice, but I think I'm going to go in with this. This color is kind of dark, more chocolatey, so I'm going to go in there just to darken. That's fallen out below, but I think that looks alright. So let's go ahead and do this side. Wow, that's turned out to be really, really, really nice. Let's go in with this bright color, and put it in right here. Brighten up that inner corner. Oh, got it in my eye. Got it in my eye. So I like that. So let's go ahead and bring that under. So there's the look with the eyeshadows. Not gonna do the lashes. Let's go in with the eyeliner. This is the Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel. So I'm gonna go ahead, and I don't like doing my bottom because I have hooded eyes. That's what I have. I have hooded eyes, and I don't like my eyes to look a lot smaller. So let's just go on the unders and bring this through there. Oh my, I think I'm gonna have to smudge that. Okay, how does that look? I don't know. Look, it went on my bottom anyway. I don't. Okay, next is the lash mascara, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. That's supposed to be like the Too Faced Better Than Sex. We'll see. I never liked the Too Faced Better Than Sex because it flaked to high heaven and faded, and then I got these little black dots down here and little dots up here, and it was a mess, but we'll see how it looks, okay? Cross your fingers. I already have dots on me, but it's because I'm not good at putting mascara. Wow, look at that. Interesting enough, I don't think that it's smashing them together, you know, clumping them. I have spoken too soon on that front. Okay. Lashes are on. Not, well, the lashes aren't. The mascara is on. And this eye looks really great, but this is so hooded you can't really see my lashes. But so is that everything? Yes, that's everything from that eyes. And then the last thing is latest in lips. Now, like I said, all of these were under $9, and this is full size, this is full size, this is full size, this is full size, this is full size. This is not, I don't think. It comes with, and I have one of these e.l.f. exfoliating lip balm. I also have a Milani Amore lip. Mine is in Lust, and the one they have here, it doesn't say what color it is. And I'm not going to open it up because this is part of the giveaway. But I have a Milani Amore lip. I have a Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. And I have a Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. The other thing that they have in here is a Hard Candy Plumping Lip Gloss and a Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. Now these are all what they call neutrals. I don't know what the colors are that they have in here because they're not listed on the back. But this is going in the giveaway, and so we shall see what color. I don't know. What do you think? Let's try the Milani Amore Matte in, mine is in Lust. I'm not sure what that color is. I may regret this because I think that this would be a prettier color, but you know, we'll try. This smells so good. Okay, so here is the Milani Amore Matte. And again, this isn't the color that's in here, but I didn't want to open this up because I'm giving this away. So this is in Lust. And I think I like that. I think that goes, look at that lovely, lovely hard candy highlighter. I think that's really pretty. You know, that eye lip came out really, really good. The one thing I will say about the Amore Mattes is that they dry down and they are hard matte. This makes my lips feel awful. So let's go in with this Revlon lip cream. The color that I have mine in is Almond. I don't know what plumping effects there are to this, but there we go. All right, so here, I'm really excited with this. I think for drugstore, ooh, did I say that there was no plumping? There is a little bit of like a menthol to this because after I put it on, even through the Milani lip cream, I can feel the little menthol tingly. Okay, I think this was a really great look. You got a full size, what does these normally run? $9.99. For less than $9, you get the nudes palette. You get a full size mascara. You don't get a full size eyeliner. So I'm really happy with all of these kits. I don't know. What do you think? You like my look? I think it turned out pretty well. If I do say so myself. A little vain, isn't it? Oh well. Alright, so let's get on to the giveaway, everybody. We are going to have 3 winners. And we are giving away in no particular order because the name that I draw first will have first pick. The name that I draw second will have second pick. And the name that I draw third will get what's left over. You get to choose between the Walmart favorites, Time for Eyes, that contains those items are right there. You get to choose the lip set, which contains these items right here. Hello. And then the other thing that I'm giving away is this little set that is the blush and the rose oil from Milani. But I'm also going to throw in that, the eyebrow wax from e.l.f., the eyelashes, Wet n Wild highlighter, the Healthiest Glow highlighter. So you're going to get the blush trio, the rose colored brush trios, eyelashes, brow wax, and cream highlighter, and Precious Petals highlighters. So that's the third thing. I'm going to have an international giveaway. And whether you're in the US or whether you're internationally somewhere else, you are going to have an opportunity to win some of these things, okay? Rules. Number 1, got to be over 18. Number 2, you must be a subscriber of my channel. So if you haven't already subscribed, now would be a good time to do so. Thank you. Number 3, you must use the link that I provide down below. It's a Gleam link to enter in the giveaway. And international, I'm going to run it for a couple of weeks. I don't know when I'm going to get this video up because I'm traveling a lot for work. Things are really busy, but I'll try to, believe me, I bought these a long time ago when they first came out, so it's been a while. I don't know what the last rule should be. I always usually say leave a positive comment down below, but I just want to know what the best thing that's happened to you this year. The best thing, just pick one. Just pick one thing and let me know down below what was the best thing that happened to you so far this year. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for taking time out of your day to spend watching me just goof off and have fun with makeup. I really appreciate it. I know there's some people out there that watch me that are friends, family, and coworkers, and so for you guys, thank you for your support. You don't know how much it means. I've either had way too much caffeine today or not enough. It's hard to say. Thank you again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't thank you enough. It's fun for me to do this because I feel like I have the opportunity to share some positivity, and I am going to take advantage of that opportunity every time I have a chance to film. So be positive, focus on the good and the happy. Leave your comment down below. Tell me what's the best thing that's happened to you so far this year. I wish you all the best. Good luck on the giveaway. Come back and see me again. Mwah! Bye.